has steam already. You guys can see even it has changed color. I'm showing you guys the final product of the food. This is the sauce. Looking yummy. Yummy, yummy. And this is the food. Hi guys, how are you guys doing? Hope you guys are well and that you guys are keeping safe. If this is your very first time meeting this beautiful dark skinned girl from South Sudan, you're highly welcome to my space. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and let me know where you're watching from. So today I'm reporting from Akobo. And I'm cooking my traditional food today. Obviously, I'm not alone. There are people that are going to help me because I've not cooked this sauce in a very long time. So, it's cooked. And I think before I showed you the beginning, so I have things here. Let me show you guys. So, now this is the process of our cob, which is my local food we are going to make later. So, you have to mix this and stay for some time to ferment, then you can start the process. Obviously we're going to take you guys along, but I just want you guys to see how it is from the beginning. Okay, we're getting a bigger container so that you can mix it well. That whatever, that plastic container was smaller. Hey, you guys, don't mind the environment. This neem tree, the leaves like falling, so the entire place is dirty somehow, but yeah, bear with us. This dog.
This sure is not safe here.
I know.
You better put it inside that bucket or something.
Alajan baburung re bless you wala wala ki about her yalo come on. Final product. Yeah. See you guys later. This thing now was supposed to be made like since yesterday, but because we did not have the thought of what we are going to eat today, so the only thing to make it ferment faster is putting it in the sunlight. So where it is right now is exposed to sun, so we're just going to cover it from the flies and it's going to stay here, I don't know, for like 2-3 hours, and maybe we will get a good result, hopefully. Fingers crossed. So this is the food I actually mixed before, or it was mixed before to ferment. This is what I'm going to use. Then I also have a dry flour. So yeah, come with us, as I promised in my last video that the next video you guys are going to see is my traditional food. So final is the day, so come with us. Say hi to these people in the kitchen with me. I'm just laughing. Okay, so I picked from here, you guys have seen already. Then I mix with this dry one so that it can become what, I don't know, shell. Let's just do this. I've not done this in 7 years, so this is the first time I'm doing this. Yeah, that's okay. What about Dirwa?
You're waiting.
Chalwani. Hello, where you hear me? But in your day. I'm coming in the night. You're hello. I'm lining in quarter. You guys, I don't know how to use this specific whatever. So the only thing is now they have to come and do this. So this is not it. They're still going to continue making it. Me, I don't know how to make this. I forgot, so I'm tired. They're going to make it, but obviously I will take you guys along with everything here.
And it's nice when you put charcoal down. Kadian fishermen love to use
They show, but it's Aiwa, I don't know why I'm in it. But the Gifina away. When you are putting it on fire, because when you do it, the Gifina acid, it's going to stick together. Let me even show them. It's cute.
Yeah,
it's
very
nice.
nice. It's nice. Yeah, I work well.
Pakai kalau double. Mana bada? Wena mo ya de. So now, this is the process of cooking this. You actually steam it. You don't boil it. So this is the water. Then now you put this one on top. Kuto. Come now. You put this one on top. Yeah. Once you put that on top, for you to make sure that the steam does not. That's what you see her doing. Yeah. Cause this is a crunch of water. Lakin mo ada mabesit. Give us that. You're seeing it from the video? I give it a line. Long ya tu? Long kita wes aku boleh? Hah? Tu bas gakar pe is betul. Lakini no question zo door ka. Yeah, you don't close the madam. Huh? Is it sure? It's showing very well. Yeah, thank you. My copy is not coming out. They refuse to come. News is coming again. Kita mulai lagi. Kita mulai lagi bed lagi kita aja dah buka tanah kabar. You can close now, madam. Continue, madam. We'll come and cut some. So, before I show you how it's closed, then after the water heats, the steam keep coming. So now it's time we put the food here. This is my own oyupo. Here. So now like this, so like this now, whatever steam that is coming from the water boiling, because it's not direct to the water, is what is going to cook this. So it's going to steam, and we'll see you guys.
Wait, let me come this side so that I take you full.
So after here now, I will come back to you guys when it has steam already, and you see the next process. Until then, see you guys. It has steam already. You guys can see even it has changed color.
That's how they do it, eh?
I
thought she's putting the water first.
Muchukon mo ini jepiu. Ke konu guru tara mata ba. To make sure gali maybe if you had jatani ma rakabo ina. There's water down here. It's steam from whatever steam that comes from down.
It's actually the best. This is the healthiest rice actually.
Christine.
Madam, I I'm enjoying this video.
So now there's some water in the oil, and you just spread there.
I love this thing. Well, I think I'm going to take time and learn lessons from
Nyayo.
this one. If I learn how to do it, I think I will enjoy it. Because with it, the good thing, you can even cook a lot and put in the pan.
What do I know? This one you cannot avoid. You touch with your hands.
For scattering.
Wow. Yeah, wow. English get up from nowhere. Wow. English up from nowhere.
Carusa.
Wow. Now we cover it for a small time again to steam. For some time, then it will be ready.
So, okay. That is good. Let me take Nyawal also.
And this is what we are going to use for. It's looking yummy. Christine, this is your style now. This is the sauce we are going to use for this local food. This is intestine and some liver we have mixed together. Can I take it closer? Guys, don't mind the quality of the video. I'm not using my iPhone. I'm using the Android. But I'm sure you guys are seeing what is happening.
Oh, that's nice.
Yummy! Yummy!
So we are good to go.
What's happening here?
Cup.
Oh, betul.
Mkwishi wade kwa nimeshala cup. Cup. Aku mengakel. Baratan filu bubulu mengakel. Baratan wer cup.
Yala de shilu de bara. De kede shilu bara.
Lanya ma.
Keresal. Keras.
Ne wan albar ngam bokon batatin rawal namo.
Yala kalas gijata la bara.
Hala le kan falas bokhotu lampo.
Ay. She's removing Maria.
Just remove.
Okay.
So this is how it looks.
Mama.
Hey, I love what I'm
Yummy.
seeing. It's even smelling good, Shao. I'm not supposed to smell food.
Nice. Hey, that
Final
is beautiful.
hot dog is here.
The way these ones are all dancing around you.
I know. These are the ones you show in the video. And guys, that will be the end of our today's video. I hope you guys enjoy and you guys like whatever is happening here. So that's how it looks like. I don't know if I will be able to capture when we are serving the food because it's getting late and my iPhone is off. So yeah, see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Our sauce is here. We have added what? This is tomato paste, and you see how yummy it is. Oh my God, this food is yummy. It is yummy. I think I'll need. Yeah.
I want to take you while the whole of you is appearing.
Come on.
It's very nice, by the way.
Maria, look towards me because I want you to look up a bit. Then I bend a bit. And then look up. Perfect. Look again. I want to take a picture. That one you're going to put it. Wait. The one I just took. Wait. Let's just take now. Oh, they look so yummy. Oh my goodness.
Cute. My dear, even me, I'm salivating at this point. So before we end this video, I'd like to apologize, although I'm not sorry, because as much as being authentic is concerned, I wanted to upload this video as it was short. There were a lot of speaking my local language in the background, and I wasn't there like translating everything to you guys, as I was also busy participating in cooking this. So literally it was not English all of it, but I hope you guys understood the few parts of the time that I tried to explain to you guys. And again, I did not shoot the part when we were serving the food, because since I was the one who cooked, I did not want to serve first. I wanted the rest of my colleagues to serve the food first. Then again, for privacy purpose, I do not want to capture them in the video, so I ended up not showing you guys. But trust me, it was yummy. I loved it, and everybody else loved it. And I'm just grateful that I still remember, even after 7 years, I still can cook the best. I love food. So you guys, at this rate, I'm showing you guys the final product of the food. This is the sauce. Looking yummy. Yummy, yummy. And this is the food. You guys, I don't know what's your show. Oh, this is rice. So some people are going to eat rice. And yeah, this is pretty everything. It's like this. I don't die you.
Ansu, what is here? What is this girl with her TikTok?
I hear this girl with her TikToks. This is our plate. And yeah.
Yeah, back on set. Please.